first thing we're going to cover is going to be the ISO. ISO is usually the first choice that you make when you are deciding on your camera settings. So in traditional photography, when you used film, ISO was an indication of how sensitive the film was to light. And it is measured in numbers, 100, 200, 400, 800, and so on. The lower the number, the lower the sensitivity of the film, and the finer the grain in the shots that you're taking. In digital photography, ISO measures how sensitive the image sensor is. The same principles apply as in film photography. The smaller number, the less sensitive your camera is to the light and the finer grain. Higher numbers mean your sensor becomes more sensitive to light, which allows you to use your camera in darker situations. However, the cost of using the higher numbers is that you'll end up having more grain. An example of a situation where you might want to choose a higher ISO would be photographing an indoor sporting event where the light is low and your subject is moving fast. By choosing a higher ISO, you can use a faster shutter speed and freeze the movement. As mentioned, the cost of choosing higher ISO settings is that you begin to get a higher grain or noise in the images the higher you go. If you look at the two photos, the one on the left is taken at a 100 ISO and the one on the right is taken at a 3200 ISO. To give you some examples of what conditions would necessitate what ISO number would be appropriate, I have 4 images. If you are using a small number, so something between a 100 to a 250, you would be able to use that outside on a bright sunny day. If you are going to take pictures inside, where you still have a strong light source, like a window or strong lamp, you can probably get away with using a 400, 500, 600, 700. If you are starting to take pictures either inside with low light or you are outside in either a cloudy, shade, or the sun is going down situation, you will probably want to be closer to 1000 for your ISO. If you are taking pictures either inside where there is almost no light, or you are outside when the sun has gone down, you will probably have to have your ISO at least a 4000, if not higher.